What is up, guys? So I hope everybody had a great weekend and is ready to start into this next week. I'm gonna do a quick chart breakdown for you guys, so you know what I will be looking for this week. So as always, we start off on the pair GBPJPY on the weekly time frame, and here on the weekly time frame, we can see that the last weekly candle closed in a huge bullish engulfing candle, showing a lot of bullish volume. Now here, when we go down into the daily time frame, we can also see that price closed above our previous daily resistance zone right here. We had our breakout, we had our retest down into the support, and it respected just like predicted last week, and then we saw another bullish push to the upside. So in my opinion, my overall BS is still very bullish, especially because we are like changing structure to a bullish structure. So here we had like a form of a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low right here, and then this bullish push to the upside, breaking previous highs right here, confirming that we are now officially back in the overall bullish trend. But what we do need to keep in mind is that we are overall at a resistance zone as well on the daily time frame. As you can see here, price broke above and then closed back under this zone right here. Here the same thing, we had a break above and then it closed back under here. So in this zone we need to be cautious with entries. Now going down into the 4-hour time frame, what we could look for or wait for is basically a pullback down into this daily support that I had marked off. So a pullback into this zone to then look to take buys all the way back up into this next daily zone right here. That will be the first possibility to look for buys. Another possibility is to see if price can maintain at this area and then just range in this area, give you a bullish sign to then look to take buys all the way back up to here. Or if price does not respect the support, we can wait for a break and retest to then look to take sales back down into this area right here. But of course with medium probability, because that will be against the overall trend. Now if price should just shoot all the way up and break the highs, maybe even here, we could wait for a pullback down into this support right here. Or if it breaks this highs, then wait for a pullback here to then look to take buys all the way back up. Now coming to GBPUSD on the weekly time frame, we also closed in a bullish candle and we closed above our weekly resistance, as you can see right here, but also rejecting this daily resistance or weekly resistance as well right here. So price is basically in this range here. And now going down into the smaller time frames, we can see how we could take advantage of these zones. So daily candle reached this daily resistance right here, as you can see here, respected the resistance and came all the way back down into this zone. So what we could wait for now on the 4-hour time frame is basically a pullback back into this weekly support, and if it can hold, then we can see bias all the way back up into this first 4-hour zone. If it breaks here, then back up into this daily resistance zone right here. Now if price should break below, same thing here, wait for a retest and then look to sell back down into this 4-hour zone as your first profit target and your second profit target into this next weekly level. So in this situation, it's basically just wait and see what price would like to do and then just react and adapt based accordingly. But my BS on GU is overall bullish because we are still in an overall bullish trend as well. Now when looking at gold, I mean, it couldn't be more beautiful, right? So we have some beautiful market structure on the weekly time frame. We have a new higher high, higher low, higher high, and our price is currently at this major weekly support and resistance zone, which we were at last week as well. So we are still trading above, and as long as price managed to maintain above this 1960 weekly support level, we could definitely see continuation in buys. So here the ideal area to look for buys will be, of course, to wait for a pullback into the support, see what price will like to do in this zone, and then take buys up into this next resistance right here and right here. Now if price should just disrespect the support, break below, we want to wait for a closure below, we want to wait for a pullback for a entry signal to then like to take sales down into this next 4-hour zone. Now same thing here, if we break, we go down into the next zone, and same thing to the upside. If we break to the upside, then we can see price coming up into our next profit targets up here. But my BS overall on gold, very bullish, because it's just obvious, it's bullish market structure. But we do need to keep in mind that price is currently like consolidating and losing volume and momentum. So we could see like a strong breakout either to the downside, very strong, or a strong breakout to the upside. So we'll have to react and adapt and see what price does. But that's the breakdown for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And also, I will be launching a signals learn and earn very soon. So if you guys are interested, make sure to sign up for the waitlist, which is in this link right here or the link above. I can send that, and join the waitlist so you can have access at a discounted price. But that's for me, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.